For a durable, permanent weed-free sidewalk and driveway crack repair, you need the exact materials and a clear sequence for prep, filling, and joint finishing. Start with a thorough cleaning routine using a pressure washer to remove dirt and root material, then use a stiff scraper and a shop vacuum to clear remaining debris from cracks down to sound substrate, ensuring the surfaces are dry before proceeding. For cracks wider than 3/8 of an inch, use closed-cell backer rod to control sealant depth and prevent three-sided adhesion. Press the rod into the crack so the sealant covers it by about 1/4 inch. Use a high-quality self-leveling polyurethane sealant, such as Sikaflex, intended for horizontal joints, and apply it with a properly loaded caulk gun, moving steadily to avoid air pockets. Tool smoothing is unnecessary with self-leveling products, but do wear nitrile gloves and wipe excess promptly. For narrow joints and broomed pavements, finish with polymeric sand over a slightly damp surface. Sweep thoroughly so the sand fills voids, then compact with a tamper or by driving over with a vehicle if appropriate. And mist to activate the polymeric binder following manufacturer timing for curing. Keep a spray bottle of isopropyl alcohol or a mild detergent solution on hand for immediate cleanup of uncured sealant from tools and paver surfaces. Allow sealant to cure fully based on temperature and humidity, typically at least 24 hours in moderate conditions, and avoid sealant contact with curious pets or foot traffic during that period. Common issues include poor adhesion from insufficient cleaning, so always remove all organic matter and let the crack dry fully before applying sealant. Otherwise, the repair will lift prematurely. Overfilling or underfilling cracks can lead to failure, so use backer rod to set the correct depth and choose a self-leveling product for horizontal surfaces to ensure even coverage. Rushing cure times by exposing repairs to water or traffic causes weak joints, so plan work when rain is unlikely for at least 24 hours and cordon off the area until the material reaches full strength. BigHomeProjects.com connects this project to local resources by helping homeowners find nearby contractors and materials sellers that match specific repair needs, and we also help contractors find work by listing projects and leads. We host an active discussion community where we and other users share field tips, supplier experiences, and step-by-step troubleshooting so you can choose the best supplies and methods for your site.